Samla Ai-Insara Makri ka kun Samla na kasinong mautnum kalayo bandra aya ka che ka ba arpusan hajar tengka rengkat ka sernon bat ka trofi hadin bakala longkum ka lahduh haka rynsan iakop penisap ka Bhoi Superstar season 3 Henin ke janmit ha parish hall nongpo ka Bhoi Superstar ka dei ka rynsan ka ba ailat ye ki kun Samla ban peni ya ka sap ka phong jongki haka kamshat kamruai bat kiwei kabala penwandur da ka kanhun kabala tipkum ka LS Imli production kabala long try da ba lansius Imli haba phai sha ka te ka rynsan iakop kni lahduh kiladon hadu khatlaingut kuntup ya ki kanhun bat cement kibala yo rong sha ka final bat baro kilalong shisha ki badon ya ka sam kabakar pang nadu ki nongruai ki nongshat bat kibla penmi ya ki surjing tem na rendang lane ka beatbox ha ka kitin nongwei na pedeng kiti ki Samla ki badon sam ka Samla Ai-Insara Makri harangkat urendang obas yang ban ruai ya ke jingruai ka bas ngau tenan bat ka bala penlong sendon ya ki nong bishar ban penphong pan snyat ya ka te ka Samla kum ka nong job jong Bhoi Superstar season 3 bat ka layora sendon ya ka pisa ka ba arpusan hajar tengka ha ka te ka sngi khadu jong ka Bhoi Superstar season 3 Lani ka grand finale lawan man sakhilang do deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district u Abhilash Bharanwal harangkat u Jayanta Mudoy branch manager ka HDFC Bank nongpo u balansius Imli lembat kiwei kibalawan man ajing kersyan ya ka te ka program
want to congratulate Balances for, how should I say, imagining something like this, for bringing the Bhoi Superstar to reality. I believe that the first season was in 2024 when I joined. He has been requesting me to come to the finale every year. Unfortunately, 2024 and 25 I could not be here. But this time he was not taking no for an answer. Unfortunately, I'll still have to leave shortly. But then I cannot be happier I cannot be happier because of the fact that at least I have been able to make it for this season. And I hope that Bhoi Superstar will gradually go on to become a platform to launch all the budding, talented, creative artists of entire Bhoi. And if we know one thing about Meghalaya is that music runs in the blood of Meghalians, and the creative field is something that we absolutely excel in, and I'm sure that Bhoi Superstar is something that is going to provide them an excellent platform for expressing this creative talent. So I wish all the contestants the very best. I wish the organizing team, although it is his brainchild, but I'm sure that you have a team behind the entire production. So I wish you all the best, and I hope, as I said, that it will go on to become something much, much, much more than what it is now. Thank you. Bhoi Superstar.